We have another care package in today, and it's by Paramount Plus, but this is from one of my favorite all-time OG action heroes. You know, the man himself, the Rocky Balboa, Rambo. We got Sylvester Stallone, and this is from his reality TV show. It's a brand new show. It's on Paramount Plus right now. We got to give it up one time for the Stallone family. That deserves a sip of the old moonshine. We have our care package from the Stallone family. It's all nice and bundled up. I say this time and time again. Hey, we love the care packages over here. Thank you once again, Paramount Plus. Now let's see what we got in here. I want to say one thing. I know it's some alcohol in here because I had to sign off on it when they delivered it. This package is kind of heavy. And what do you know? We have Sylvester Stallone and his beautiful daughters. Not gonna lie, this joint is pretty heavy, so I can't hold it like this for long. All right, now let's get to it. We got a nice candle right there. Look at that. Oh, that smells amazing. Santal vanilla. We got a Stallone Family sugar cookie, like with icing on it, Paramount Plus. That is right on time. And we have the official card in here. We got some vanilla salted caramel popcorn. Bang. Wouldn't be Stallone without a boxing glove, right? Shout out to Rocky right here. Some gummy bears from Sugarfin. Crack these open. We got a bottle of bubbly. Gerard Bertrand. I don't know how to say this, but thank you so much, Paramount. Make sure you go stream the Stallone Family right now on Paramount Plus. And if you don't have Paramount Plus, they gave me a code where you can get a month free. And that promo code is Stallone. So make sure you check it out. I am signing off. I'm gonna crack this bottle open and make it do what it do, even if it don't. I'm out of here.